Nobody not gonna just get up and hate you, so nobody not gonna be fake to you, so.
Welcome to Spice TV, where everything's spy. See, me there, only there, we there, yet done no straight. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for clicking my video. Y'all, we about to do 1, 2, 3 beginner makeup. Not too much. I'm probably not even gonna OD. What I do, because I'm not a professional. I do what I want to do, and that's that. Yeah, but not really do too much of the contour and concealer and ray and all of that foolishness. But yeah, you get it. Since you're here, follow my Instagram. My new Instagram is right there. It's gonna be right there. Spice_TV, same as my YouTube name. That's my content page. I post daily. Try to post daily. My regular Instagram is gonna be right there. Vanna X Spice Official, TikTok, all of that good stuff is gonna be in my description. Okay. Let's get into the video. I'm not gonna lie to you. I also use like beauty supply shit or a few of my pieces, NYX, Sephora, a few of my pieces, not a lot. I'm not no money, but yeah, I'm using She waterproof eye lip pencil. This is what I do for my eyebrows. Sometimes I don't do no eyebrows. Oh well. I'm not doing lashes today, but y'all gonna get later on to that look. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Yeah.
So let me tell y'all the honest to God truth. I never know what I'm doing. I normally use that little plastic thing that shape your eyebrows, but I didn't want to embarrass myself in that video. But these eyebrows coming out real chunky and blocky, but I guess you'll see progress. Yo, you don't understand. I'm so weak, but this is embarrassing. I'm rewatching it and I'm just like, girl, what were you doing? Because I don't do my makeup like this on a regular. So I'm like, what the hell? Look what yo, Frighten Friday, bro. Oh, what is? And I'm really trying to get with the program. Like, I'm trying to talk to myself like, bitch, you know what you're doing. You look good to figure it out. But oh my God, if I ever walk on the street with them, yeah, big old dog eyebrow, yo. What the hell? Look at this. Anyway, so I'm gonna draw out my eyebrow now. I'm using concealer, I think. I'm not even knowing, but Kiss concealer. I'm using concealer for my underneath my eyebrows. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Let me tell y'all, I gotta film another video because this is not how I normally do it. This is a big epic feel, but I use the concealer under both of my eyebrows, trying to make it straight. My thing is I really like a straight eyebrow, but the eyebrow never come out straight, so just watch that and then make a talk back when something new on. Bro, right here, so it's like me nervous. Like me do the first eye already. Now I have to do this one. Me nervous. Like, what can possibly go wrong? What more can go wrong? What we're done wrong already? Like, I'm really sitting here contemplating, like, hoof, girl, don't mess up. But we done mess up already from the start, bro. Yo, honestly, right here, I saw them do this on like makeup tutorials when them try to look like unibrow. Somebody say, why not? Make me do it. Me I do video too. So, yo, take me. My girl is about to draw this whole unibrow. And funny, bro.
Nah, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't have no brushes. I don't know where they at. But I found a piece, and this is all that matters. This is all I need. Anywho, I'm about to speed it up again. But I just wanted to make like a disclaimer. Don't be laughing at my product. I'm gonna get some new brushes, okay? Okay.
So now I'm about to put on my foundation, but this shit I found at like some beauty supply store that's around the block. And yeah, it works, I guess. I haven't really found my skin tone in any type of my foundations that I have, or like a skin tone in anything, but one day I'm going to do skin test, color test, whatever test I need to do to figure out my right shades, because guess what? Your girl actually be going outside and her outside looks be needing makeup. So, well, my looks never need makeup. But you know, if I want to look grown and sophisticated, I gotta add a little feel me? Yeah. Bro, I know y'all saw that transformation just now. That brow got a little thinner. So it's gonna be nice. That end of that one got mad sharp just now. Alright. We getting somewhere. Just a little bit. See that eye? I like that eye. But the next one, I look, archy enough. Alright, so obviously y'all know the next process or next step whatsoever. Sometimes I can't even speak, but obviously you spread out the foundation, touch up, cover all the places, because that's basically what I'm doing. Covering up all the spots that look different. Feel me? Bro, clearly y'all saw that I just turned my ring light off. Bro, I look mad black. Whoa, I look mad dark skin, bro. Nah, let me tell you, I do not look like this on a regular. I just feel like, I don't know. But that little technique I just did, I saw that on my girl, Spencer Amaya Artistry. I'ma include her stuff right there. She does that shit. Like, with her concealer or whatever. So I'm gonna try it. So that's what I did. Anyways, shout out to her, because I had to go on my big cruise one day, and she taught me how to do my makeup. Like, she was guiding me. Shout out to her. But anyways, y'all see I'm doing eyelashes. I'm doing mascara because I'm not putting no lashes on my face, because it's just a video, and I didn't really think my face looked good. But I'm doing my mascara. I never did mascara before, but I said, let me try it thing now, and then I just got hooked. Every day I want to do some black eyeliner and mascara, but
liner, I can't find that, so
clearly I'm telling you I'm about to do my lip liner.
Whatever this one is. Yeah.
Bro, one thing I'm gonna tell you I never ever fail on is that lip combo. That lip liner and that gloss, or that matte whatever going on, girl, I does it with the lip combo. I felt like this lip combo was cute too, but the look just wasn't, ain't nah look. Yuck. Alright, so I'm done, and let me just take off everything and show you the final product. Remember, I did my hair in another video, right? But I was also trying to think if I could do it by myself, but sometimes it's a hit or a miss. I am not a makeup girly, I am not a hair girly. I'd rather pay somebody for my Eddie hair. Y'all, as soon as I did it, I took that shit right off.
To the game, put you on a level. Dimitri, watch your fame, not inevitable. So she want me last name. Oh, what up, that's so. No, this in a can't tame, how your confidence up. The chest are full enough pain.